Right, morning Quinton, how are you?
How's your day going?
Yeah, not so bad, not so bad. Where are you calling from today?
Nigeria.
Nigeria. Oh, okay, alright. So, maybe you could just introduce yourself to the community, tell us a bit about yourself, how long you've been trading, that kind of thing.
My name is Quinton Umeh. I'm 23 years old. I'm a Nigerian, and I've been trading for the past 3 years now. But started
3
trading.
years.
Yeah,
Okay.
started trading professionally beginning of last year. So, yeah.
Okay. All right. What do you trade?
Mainly the Euro/US dollars. I recently started trading futures, indices futures. That's NASDAQ, the NASDAQ 100. It's mainly when I trade on FundedNext, I use Euro/US dollars, just Euro/US dollars.
Okay. So mainly EURUSD, the FX pair.
Yeah, currency pair.
Currency pair, yeah. All right. So how do you trade that?
Typically, I am an ICT trader. I would classify myself as an ICT trader. I started trading ICT last year when I started trading prop firms. So yeah, I classify myself as an ICT trader.
Okay, smart money concepts. Okay,
So
you're looking for.
I use ICT. I look for inefficiencies and liquidity pools where I tend to use that as my magnet to the market, basically. So,
okay. And you trade EURUSD on the lower time frames? You're a day trader?
I am a swing trader, but basically, you know how this prop firm stuff works. Yeah? So basically, when swing trading, it's kind of difficult using those kind of strategies with prop firms. So I kind of gravitated towards day trading of recent, and I have been day trading, but using the 4 hours and daily time frame as my structural, guidance, and entries on 15 and 5 minutes.
Okay. So maybe you could show us a trade setup. Maybe share your screen.
Yeah. So basically, can you see?
It's a Euro/dollar 4-hour chart. Yeah.
Yeah. So basically, I look for my structural points on 4 hours, on the daily and the weekly time frames. Like for example here, and then look for inefficiencies also. Then look for liquidities, because that's basically what I'm like looking towards to actually for the market or price to actually go through. So yeah. Then I go on the 5 minutes, and you know the concept of how on high, low, close works, yeah?
Yeah.
On a daily candle. So basically,
this candle on the right here. This is a daily candle, is it?
Yes. Basically.
Yeah.
This is the daily candle here.
Yeah.
And then like I said, I use ICT concept. So basically, this is the open, New York open, 12 a.m. open, right? So I want to be seeing sales during sell days above the daily open, basically 12 a.m. So that's where I utilize sales from. And if it's on a buy day, I would want to be taking buys below 12 a.m. open. This is also the Asian session range. I don't know if you know about that. Yeah, so basically it kind of guides me towards where I want to take my entries on the 5 minutes and 15 minute charts. So I said I use Q zones also. Basically, I want to be taking trades in the Q zone and nothing outside it. So basically, that's how I get my entries. Nothing too extravagant.
Okay. So you're going to use Asia as some kind of range, and then you're going to look for sell setups. Sell setups above it. Yeah.
London, I think I tend to look for manipulations during the left and quantum section. That's why I tend to take most of my early entries during the day. Yeah.
Okay. Entries around here in London, and then you start looking for, take profit maybe in the afternoon. Sure. Okay. Any other strategies you use, or is pretty much that it's the main one you go to?
This is pretty much my main strategy. Yeah.
Okay. Does that play out most days, or is this something that you're quite common?
Some days it does. A lot of days. I'm like I said, I only started as an ICT when I started trading prop firms. I was typically just a support and resistance trader. I stumbled on ICT on YouTube and started following some of his concepts, and it's been a ride. I mean, it's been hard to learn, but it's also been a ride because it tends to pay off at the end of the day. Yeah.
Have you watched the YouTube mentorships?
Yeah, the 2022 mentorship. I think this is basically it. It's added like some other added concepts like the Asian range and yeah.
Yeah. No, pretty much. You're looking for some kind of run on liquidity, then you're looking for some kind of breaking market structure or market structure shift, and then you're looking for an FEG to enter in. So pretty much the 2022 model. So have you back tested this?
I think that was one of the things I mean, during January this particular year, I won't lie, somewhat small because I kind of like deviated from my strategy a little bit, and it's kind of hurt me because so I am back to using it like full time, and I just want to see how it goes from now.
Yeah, I think January has been quite a difficult month for a lot of people, so don't let that put you off. So things will probably return back to normal now. It's February, March, so things. Okay. All right. Well, any thoughts? Any offerings that you could help with FundedNext? How they could improve things?
Yeah. There's this particular feature I think that you guys can add really make it more effective. In the sense of daily loss, I feel like if traders have this daily loss target, like a personal daily loss target that they would want to implement on their particular account. Like for instance, if I say I want to lose just 1% today, and if I lose 1%, then I do not want to trade anymore, then I feel it should be implemented,
Okay, some kind of lockout facility, so you could set a personal daily drawdown.
Yeah, I think it will help. I think it will help with a lot of psychological issues that a lot of traders tend to face, and kind of counter over trading also.
That's a good idea. Yeah, because once you tend to take a loss or two, then you do tend to come back with maybe risking too much to revenge trade. So I guess if that was locked out by default, that would protect you from further down. That's a good idea. Okay, maybe they'll implement that. Okay, any suggestions to traders who are struggling out there?
Just take it easy. Like I think a lot of people tend to battle the greed, and they tend to want to get it immediately and want to get it fast, and they want to get it like now. Like if I don't get it now, then I don't want it later kind of mentality. And it tends to kill a lot of people in the markets. I mean, personally now, like I said, during January, like all through January, I've been in Jordan since then. Still, my account hasn't been blown. But I think a lot of people, once they take one or two trades and it goes against them, like they're back to just doing things frantically and just for trading. Like just calm down. Like you don't necessarily need to make everything today. You you lose today, you can always make it tomorrow, and just that's it. Patience, basically.
Okay. Are you able to share your FundedNext dashboard? Is that possible?
Sure, no problem. So this is it.
Okay. So this was currently a 50k account, right? Okay.
Account. Okay. It's currently in loss. Like I said, January was a bad month.
Okay. Can we see your stats? If you click on Trading Overview, I think, and then there we go. So there's your stats. You've got so when did this account start? At the start of the year?
We started last year, I think.
Last year, okay.
October last year,
Okay, so your win rate's a little bit lower than it should be, 33%.
Yeah, because of my excess losses, they kind of dropped down.
Okay.
But on a regular day, my win rate is from 50% above. Normally, usually 70%, but I don't really take win rates and P&L as
Okay, fair enough. All right, let's leave that. That's, like you say, probably not a true window on what you've been doing. All right, Quinton. Well, I'll let you go. Thanks for your time. Good luck with the funded account, and take it easy.
It was a privilege. Thank you very much.
All right, see you, Quinton. Bye.